Hollywood stars, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this really quick and easy glam beat face in like a really quick. So if you want to know how to achieve this look, then just keep watching. And as always, don't forget to shine bright because it's slow Hollywood time. Alright you guys, so first I'm going to prime my face and I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. So we're going to be applying this all over, and don't forget to really work it in. Trust me, it makes a difference. For foundation, we're going to be using our NW15. This is a Studio Fix by MAC. So we're just going to paint it on and then we're going to go ahead and blend it all out. So literally this routine is so quick and you're gonna look bomb AF. So I just figured I'm actually going out right now. Like my friend just literally called me and I was like, oh my god, I'm so down. Let me do my makeup real quick. And then I figured, let me go ahead and just show you guys my quick makeup going out look. So here we are. I'm also going to bring a little bit of this to my eyelids just so that everything can be all one color. Make sure I have no discoloration there. I'm going to use a little bit of my Tarte Shape Tape to conceal and also to act as a highlight because this concealer, it is a little bit brighter. I'm going to go ahead and set the under eye with a little bit of the Huda Beauty Pound Cake. Also, let me know down in the comments below if you want me to just skip like these steps in my future videos, because I do have a couple of videos up pretty much using like the same products. So let me know if you want me to skip or if you still want to see them. So I'm only going to do that area because right now it is nighttime and people are not going to really be able to see whether you're matching or not that well. So I am going to be using my Morphe powder. This one I think is slightly more yellow, but again, because we are in the night, I don't think you'll really be able to tell. So I'm going to just pop this on. Basically everywhere else besides the area where we applied the powder. Using my Coco Collection face palette, I'm going to take the bronzer and bronze up my skin. I'm going to take some of this NARS Orgasm blush and pop this into the cheeks. I'm going to take a little bit of my Hoola and just kind of intensify my contour a bit. And I'm just going to quickly kind of contour with my brush. It's just like a quick way to do it. So I do that and then I just go back with the Beauty Blender and blend everything out. I'm going to take some of my Anastasia highlight. This is the Amrezy times Anastasia highlight. It's so beautiful. And I'm going to just pop this right up here in the cheekbones. And I'm going to take a little bit in my finger and just pop it right here, tip of the nose, and then a little bit right here on the bridge. I'm going to quickly do my brows off camera and I will be right back. Okay you guys, so I went ahead and I did my brows off camera, and as always I did bring my concealer down to my lids. That way my eyelids are nice and primed and I don't have to do another step, which is to get another primer. So I'm taking my Hoola bronzer and I'm getting my JS6 brush and I'm basically just going to pop the Hoola right into the crease, just to warm it up a bit. And honestly, you're like pretty much done after this, like bomb. You can of course intensify it a little bit more if you like with a little bit of black, but I might just leave it like this, so we'll see. I'm going to take my Anastasia highlight one more time, and I'm just adding it right into the inner corners. I'm going to take a little bit more of the Hoola, and I'm going to be adding some of this to the lower lash line. I'm going to go ahead and add some mascara. I'm using the Roller Lash by Benefit. Just give a quick coat to my lashes. And then I'm going to add a generous amount to the lower lashes as well. And now for the star of the show, we are going to be adding some Baddie lashes. They're right here because I just used them the other day. They're so bomb. But these are going to be in the style Instaho. So I'm going to pop those on and I will be right back. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and I popped on the lashes. Oh my god, they're so bomb. Like, look, so we literally didn't even spend that much time on our makeup and it already looks so bomb because of the lashes. And honestly, they're so easy to put on as well. Like, the band is not thick or anything at all. So definitely recommend Baddie lashes, and these are in style Instaho. Alright, so time for the lips. I'm going to be popping this one by Morphe. This is called Bite Me. And then for the Cupid's bow, I do kind of want to round it a little bit, so we're going to create a straight line across. So it should start to look something like this. And for the lipstick, we're going to take this one by Morphe. This one is called Boo. So this is also in a matte finish. Bomb. I think I want to add a gloss. And I'm also going to be using a Morphe gloss. This was in the shade Flower Crown. So basically like in the center of the lips. Oh, that looks so good, you guys. Okay, so basically this is pretty much it, you guys. Like, this was so easy. Like, let me look at my phone to see what time it is. So that literally took me about 25 to 30 minutes, and that's because I was like talking to you guys, so it takes me a little bit longer. But if I was just doing this on my own, it would probably take me like, I want to say like 20 minutes. So that's totally not bad. I mean, especially like for this kind of beat, I feel like it's pretty like easy to achieve, but you still look really cute and really put together. So now for the finishing touch, we're just gonna add some setting spray. I'm gonna be using this one by Urban Decay, and this is the oil control one. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this really quick and easy makeup look for going out, but not necessarily. You can totally use this like for any single day that you like. So if you enjoyed this look, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!